So this video now is on a certain subtopic under accounting for materials, and this subtopic is called economic. So let me just rewrite that: economic order quantity. Economic order quantity. So what is economic order quantity? They abbreviate this as EOQ. Sometimes they might just say that in a question, but no, most of the time they will let you know that, okay, calculate the economic order quantity. So what is economic order quantity? So economic order quantity is the order quantity that minimizes costs. Take note of that. It's the order quantity that minimizes costs. So all businesses, should I say manufacturing businesses and most of the businesses that deal with goods on stock, when stock runs out, you need to order and the like. So such calculations are made in order to minimize costs as a company. So there came this same formula called the economic order quantity that all businesses that are into ordering of goods and services should use. So economic order quantity is equal to, this is now the calculation of EOQ, square root, the same square root, square root of what? 2CO then D over what? CH. This is the formula for economic order quantity. So when you're asked, calculate the economic order quantity, you need to use this formula. So let me just explain these components inside. The 2 is just a number 2, just like that. What does the CO stand for? The CO is the ordering costs. It's the cost per order, in short, costs per order. This will be specified in the question, and if not specified, they will still guide you on how to get it. It's cost per order. Yeah, so if you actually remember the other topic that came before this, which was where we were learning about the annual ordering costs and the like, this CO appeared somewhere. So that's the same CO which has come back in the economic order quantity formula. So you like come and substitute it. So they can tell you maybe $2 per order, like in the question. So okay, this $2 is coming to sit where CO is. What about D? D stands for demand, annual demand. Just take note of that. Annual. It's not monthly, but it's annual demand. They'll equally say it, but demand, the way it is that it's not always mentioned like outright on the question, like you're even able to say that, okay, demand is equal to that. No. Most of the time, how we know that this is the demand, you look at what the total amount that the company orders. They would say, okay, a company orders 600 units for that year. So how it is that what the company orders is equal to its demand, because a company would only want to order something based on what? The demand that they're expecting. So that's how you understand that, okay, that's the demand. When the question like says a company orders maybe 600 units of whatever, maybe of certain stock, then you know that that's the demand. Then we said over what? Over CH. Yet again, if you remember, again, the previous topic we had done, which was when we were learning about the annual ordering costs, annual holding costs. This CH had appeared in all of the formulas. So this CH simply stands for holding costs per unit. Holding costs per unit. They'll also mention this one, there's nothing to worry about. They'll equally mention this component as well. Then of course you have your square roots. So after you work out whatever is inside the square root, then you just say square root of whatever answer you get inside the bracket, inside the square root, and then you get your answer. Yeah, so that's the economic order quantity. It's very simple, straightforward. Just take note of what each component inside stands for, then you are very much safe. Yeah, so that's the EOQ.